Honestly, I do not think there is a better view than looking out the view or looking out the cab of a 7010 John Deere Series tractor. This is a model 7210, so, and I will stand by my opinion that it's a very close, very close tie between, well, not really tie, but choice between my favorite tractors. It's either a 7010 or a 55 series John Deere. But I still stand by a 7210 or a 7010 series over a 55, just barely. The reason for that is because you can actually hear me talking in here. Whereas if the 4055 or even the 4455, you could not hear me speak. So, but them tractors are good for what they do. This tractor's good for what it does. Even though I wish we would be baling hay with this tractor again. As I've stated before, this tractor was on the roll baler all the time. It did pull the corn planter one year. I did find that out. The year before, or the year the 4055 was bought, 04 or 03, this tractor was on the planter. So yeah. But anyway, that's not what this video is about. What do we got going on? Well, I am bush hogging, as you probably could already have seen. I've started to knock out pastures. There's Snapchat. Starting to knock down pastures. As you can tell, the cows are over there. Hay barn's getting pretty full. But that tree has fell down since last summer. Yeah. This used to be the boneyard. There used to be all kinds of goodies back here. But back when the scrap metal got up so high, my cousin decided to haul it all off. There was three back in here, up and in the weeds and everything. There was 3 Alice Chalmer pull type combines back here. Used to be the chisel plow and feed plow still sit right there. You can see the feed plow. There's a 7-foot chisel plow there too. There used to be a 13-foot John Deere grain table sitting back here. Off of the old, I guess it was either the 45, 55 or 95 combines they used to have. Oh, what else? There was a bunch of old John Deere and International cultivators that used to sit back here because they, believe it or not, the family did raise tobacco back in the day. So there was some cultivators back there. I think there was a small, there's a bunch of old, I think there's still a couple of old 1 bushel boxes off of a previous planter, not the one we got now, but a previous planting setup. There's a couple of old boxes over there. Other than that, I mean, there was just some random scrap iron. But yeah, so, but this is across the creek from the main farm where the new grain bin's sitting. This is back up in here. It goes back up in here pretty good. I don't know how many yards that is. That's probably, I don't know. But right here, there is a freaking steep drop off. I bet it drops 25, 30 feet. I'll pull over here and show you. Actually, if you go on my Instagram, and I've posted this a few times throughout my Instagram status, right up in here, down below, is where that our neighbor's cat D6 dozer got stuck. Can't see very good right now from the brush and everything, but it drops off pretty daggone good right there. So back up in there somewhere, that's where that cat D6 dozer was stuck, and we had 5 tractors trying to pull that sucker out. We tried from up top here, we tried down below. Ended up being down below was what worked the best. So yeah, that was a fun day. That was a fun evening. I was like, that happened in the spring of 2010 is when that, yeah, spring of 2010, because my uncle died in the fall of 09. So yeah, that's when that happened. I see a couple of raindrops on the windshield. I see a couple of raindrops. It is supposed to storm tonight. I'm probably not going to get this done tonight. So I've got this big field to finish. I've got 3 lots over there it's got to do. And then I got to go back up into there, and there's I don't know, there's probably half an acre of grass back up in there that's got to be cleaned off. So I probably will not get this done tonight. And with the freaking road closed here, I'm just going to leave the tractor parked up here next to the creek feeder and walk across the creek instead of going all the way around. It's just the way that's going to work out tonight. I don't even know what time it is. I think it's going on 8:30. So yeah, gearbox is back on that bush hog. I don't know if I said it. I don't know if I mentioned that or not, but bearing or the gearbox went out on this bush hog. I don't know, something. I don't know. We've only had this thing for 4 seasons. This is the 15, 16, 17. This is the 4th season with it. So, and that gearbox has already gone out on it. I think this is the 2nd gearbox on it. Which don't think we keep it maintained, because we do. We check it every other time we go to use this thing. We do. So I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, but my uncle's in the shop. The bearing went out on the baler again. So he's working on that. Luckily we did get all the hay baled. All first crop is done. So it's not like we got to press for any hay making now, but right now it's just going to be, right now spraying over top of crops is going to be the big push, which my uncle's already gotten a good start on that. For what's weedy, there's a couple of farms that will not need spraying because they're pretty clean. So yeah, I've done rambled on for 7.5 minutes. So I'm gonna end it here. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. I guess you could say this was a story time, but there's not really a story to anything. So yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. It's the next day of the bush hogging video. I figured I'd go ahead and make a video of this, but as you can tell, the road is not supposed to have a dip in it. See, there's the main farm. Here's across the creek. Here's the new grain bin, and there is the road tile. The story is it's caved in. This is my first time up close to it. This is the closest I've been to it, but yeah, it's caved in there, if you can't tell. And one thing's for sure, they'll have it done before school starts. It's June, what is today? Today's the 12th. Today's June 12th. School starts back, well, Hardin County School starts back like the 13th, 14th of August. Somewhere right in there. It'll take them that long. Trust me. So anyway, I figured I better add that in at the end here. So thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Catch y'all later.